In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest for keyword research for free in Bangla. Whether you're trying to improve your content strategy or optimize your website's SEO, understanding how to effectively utilize Ubersuggest can be a game changer. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the website by entering neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest in your browser. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Google account or your email. This is a simple process that grants you access to the tool's full capabilities. Make sure you're logged in, as it ensures you can save your searches and access additional features later on. With Ubersuggest up and running, it's time to dive into keyword exploration. In the search bar that prominently appears on the main page, you'll want to enter your primary keyword or topic of interest. For instance, if you're in the field of digital marketing or have a passion for fitness or travel, you might type something like digital marketing, fitness tips, or travel blogs. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your keyword research and helps Ubersuggest generate relevant data for you. Moving forward, take a close look next to the search bar, where you'll notice a flag icon or a drop-down menu indicating your current country and language settings, such as United States, English. Click on this drop-down menu as it brings us to the next crucial step in the process. From the drop-down list that appears, you have the opportunity to refine your results by choosing a different country or language. Since we're focusing on Bangla, you'll want to select Bangladesh as your country and Bengali as your language. This adjustment ensures that Ubersuggest returns keyword data that's geographically and linguistically relevant, which can significantly enhance the precision and applicability of your research. With your settings dialed in, click the search button again. Ubersuggest will now refresh and provide you with localized data, which includes essential metrics like search volume by country, SEO difficulty, cost per click, and potential keyword ideas in Bangla. This information is invaluable for anyone looking to tailor their SEO strategies to specific regions. If you're interested in further refining your insights or comparing different regions, you can repeat the process of selecting different countries or languages and clicking search to see how the data might shift across various markets. And there you have it, a straightforward method for using Ubersuggest to conduct keyword research tailored for Bangla speakers. By following these steps, you open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your online content and strategy by ensuring they are culturally and linguistically resonant with your target audience. Happy researching!